Happy New Year, everyone. This is Danielle Lewis, owner and CTO, that's Chief Travel Officer of Selfish Me Travel. Coming to you live on January 13th, 2022. January 13th, 2022, with travel industry news that you can use. As of yesterday, I have 6 friends who recently tested positive for COVID. A tickle in the throat, a low-grade fever, a cough, stuffy head for a few days, but no hospitalizations. Thank God. Thank God that they were all vaccinated and boosted, or this really could have been devastating. In my opinion, though, we can stop saying that these are breakthrough cases. Too many, hundreds of thousands really, have contracted COVID after being vaccinated. So I'm going to start thinking of COVID now just the same as I do about the flu, influenza, flu. The flu has new variants every year, and the majority of people get a flu shot every year. Well, now we've got COVID vaccine, and it seems inevitable that we'll be getting a booster every year. 99.9% of the current COVID hospitalizations are unvaccinated. Testing is backlogged due to the overwhelming wave of Omicron, and I'm to the point of believing that eventually we're all going to get COVID someday. So the vaccine and the yearly booster is going to be a part of our normal life from now on. Anyway, as of Tuesday, there were more than 56,000 flights originating in the USA that have been canceled since the week before Christmas due to weather, positive COVID testing of airline crews, and general short staffing. This wave of cancellations and severe delays has been horrendous for travelers and travel advisors trying to have a merry holiday, but instead trying to make arrangements or reschedule flights and hotel reservations. I hope we get better at this. Most airlines only offer a year to use your flight voucher, but Delta just yesterday extended their flight voucher usage requirement until the end of 2023. So thank you, Delta. I'm sure the others will hopefully follow. Many cruises are also being canceled January due to positive COVID testing amongst the crews and short staffing. Meanwhile, last week the CDC warned everyone to stay away from cruising with a level 4. Then they terminated the Conditional Sailing Order, CSO, which was effective this Saturday, January 15th, and replaced it with a voluntary program. Well, cruise ships have always reported illnesses and diseases, but airlines, which I think is just as much of a quote-unquote petri dish as a cruise ship, have never had to report anything. The airlines in the USA are a sore subject with me, so I'll just move on. Finally, many countries, once again, are changing entry protocols and restrictions due to the rapid spread of Omicron. Some giving less than 1 day's notice for the changes. More and more countries are requiring a COVID test as soon as you land and or an automatic 24 to 48 hour quarantine. Some countries are going strictly to a digital vaccine certificate. You apply online because there have been so many vaccine card forgeries around the world. So I will continue to say, be patient, be flexible, and be kind during this extended period of constant change, delays, and cancellations. And call your favorite travel advisor agent to arrange your future vacations so that you'll be well prepared to travel and not have to worry about what's required or not required. Thank you. Peace. Bye.